Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Priyanka and today I am super excited because I finally updated my Procreate Dreams to Procreate Dreams 2 and the update is massive. So there are so many things we were all wishing for and they are finally here. New brushes, new flipbook tools, better animation control, improved performance. Honestly, it feels like a full upgrade, not just an update. So here in this video, I'm just going to give you a quick look um, in Procreate Dreams 2. So how it works and everything else will be a different video. So we'll just get into this app and let's see what all is new and what all has been updated. Also, did you notice the new icon? So as soon as you open Procreate Dreams, this is what you see. It is going to tell you what is all new in this. Just take a quick glance and let's click on done and we'll move on to our new Procreate Dream interface. A lot has been changed. Okay, now there are 3 videos for us to take as an example given by Procreate Dreams 2. Okay, let's get into a project. And the very first term you will read is theater. All new interface, new settings over here. It is all simplified. Even if you're new to Procreate Dreams, I think it'll be pretty easy for you to just get into the app and just explore it a little bit and you will understand the settings over here. So on the right hand side, you will see the draw and paint option. You will see a lot of options, a lot of new add-ons over here. When you click on flipbook, you get a play ad over here and that's very interesting. And I can see you can create layers over here also. I think it's going to be super helpful. Oh, the brush library is updated with lots and lots of brushes. You have the classic library. You also have the animation brush library. Oh, these brushes look so exciting. I just can't wait to use them. Okay, let's get back to the flipbook option. And I see a lot of new options over here. But one setting particularly that I'm looking for is to change the brush head or the brush pan to the right hand side because I'm lefty. There we go. Okay, now let's just explore this playhead that we have over here. And there are layers in the flipbook option. I am so excited to use this. It's going to be so much more interesting to work on this flipbook option. I just hope there is something for a stop motion animation, something like that, a setting for that. But okay, that we will see once we explore this app more. So I think this is all for the very first look, and I'll be coming with a new video shortly after this. And I hope you all update your Procreate Dreams to Procreate Dreams 2 and enjoy the new features on this. If you have any questions, you can come back to this video, drop it in the comment box. Okay then, see you in the next video. Thank you so much for your time.